I wrote this book because I'm often asked questions about what does it take to form an LLC? What are the fees involved with forming an LLC? How long does it take to apply for an LLC? And what are the pros and cons? So I decided rather than continuously have clients and associates and the viewers out there in social media continue to ask these questions, I decided to put together a book so that everyone has the access to it and the questions are all in one centralized location. I encourage you to head over to Amazon.com to pick up your copy of Business Formations, the ultimate guide to forming an LLC. It's a step-by-step guide and it will answer all of your questions. In the meantime, if you have questions or if you want to learn more about some of the services that I offer, I encourage you to visit me online at www.cosettemwhite.com.